अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। उम्मीद करता हूँ सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज की बुक है हमारी इको 401। इको 401 की जो क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट है तो वो आपके सामने हम लेके आए हैं। मिड टर्म में इसकी बहुत ज़बरदस्त तैयारी होती है। इफ़ अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट ऑफ द डिक्रीज विद द कास्ट एडियंस यूनिट प्रोडक्ट दैन इट इज़ द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ द ड्रेसिंग ऑपरेटिंग कॉस्ट. A farmer has product 500 tons what and on the one either bed of the employing 10 working day every average physical product in this cast might be 50 subtracted in the header good of the given goods a product market exchange which of the following consumer goods purchased by the heading that it is decrease in the price increase total revenue demand is the electric the percentage change in the quantity demand if a given good with respect on the percentage change in the price of the and other good is called इसका आता है price electricity of demand the service of land and the capital are the exchanged through factor market. Sultan is the logicist business and the provides logicist service to the local business community for the company stock driver full in the category of capital if the good aware other the product submitted thereof the print of the synthetic lines which of the following the message of the responsibility demand is the good change is good of the cross price elements demand is the quantity of all the inputs are the increase by 30 and input exchanged by the 25% then of the farm expensing increasing return to cycle the cost which already has been the increase and the cannot receive to any significant degrees and the now of the snake cost according to internal theory form the fact benefit of the total enemy is the total cost advantage by the rival in the example of external economic scale and the equal that is the further form and the response general output which of the following include the mental abilities that is a person begin in the organization the internship suppose a firm use two-factor labor of the capital or the optimum communication of the fact can be the obtained at the plate of air MPPL but PL equal MPPK MPK. We all want to bunch of stuff. We cannot have the everything that we want. Which of the following best describes this statement? Security. Sultan is the running is the logicist business and the provide logicist service to the local business community. For his the company Sultan fame of the category of the capital Q equal A means BP percentage of the demand.